shred means to ski or snowboard with exceptional speed, ability, or enthusiasm, especially in difficult terrain conditions. So my partner and I sometimes will be like, let's shred, or this pal won't shred itself, and like then we'll end up crashing. So I mean, it's all kind of in good fun. But there is a brand of helmets and other ski gear out there called Shred brand, and I like their naming. So one thing to think about when you are going through the trademark creation process is, for your particular goods and services, you might want to think about, is there any lingo or jargon in the industry that you can maybe use? Be careful. I think you have to be careful. Like if it's overused, you might be hurting yourself. But I think at the end of the day, I think Shred has done a really good job with their trademark.